everyone, this is Jhalak and welcome to the heart of Bandra, where we explore the stories, sound and soul of Mumbai's most loved suburb.
And today we're taking you to the seaside, a place that has seen everything from first brushes to film shows.
Bandra Bandstand! Bandstand, a place where the sea hugs the rocks.
Celebrities come to wave from the balcony.
People come to chase the sunset
Or their thoughts. Basically, if Marine Drive is the Queen necklace, Bandra is the Bohemian heart.
I like that. So let's walk through this journey.
Yeah.
Okay, so Shruti, if someone has never been here, how would you describe Bandstand?
I would say it's a long, rocky promenade where every few meters there's a new story. A jogger with headphones, people sharing corn. That's Bandra for you. It's super chilled and messy.
Yeah, it's kind of a place when silence feels like a song.
Yeah, you could say that. But I also feel like the really interesting part about Bandra is like its history that it shares with us.
Like, you're talking about the Bandra, right?
Yeah. Like obviously about Bandra food. There is so much to say. It has a lot to talk about. It was actually captured by the Portuguese in 1640, and now it's like a watchtower for us.
You know what? Up the hill, there's also a Mount Mary Church.
Yeah, what about it?
It's so beautiful. It's so serene.
You know, it is Bandra's most rare place with the most modern heritage. It's like in the morning you could be attending mass and in the evening you could be shooting a film. Bandra is like a Bollywood character.
Absolutely. Dil Chahta Hai, Jaane Tu Ye Jaane Na. There are so many iconic scenes that have been shot here.
I can totally get why, because it's such an iconic space. You know, with the backdrop, it's like the perfect sea is there. It's like the most chaotic place ever.
It's also the neighborhood of Bollywood superstars.
Yeah, you know, Galaxy, Salman Khan's house. You'll always find people there taking pictures outside his building.
Also the Mannat. If you're coming to Bandstand and not standing in front of the Mannat, you're not a real Bollywood fan.
Please, Salman Khan's are better.
SRKins, what say?
I'm gonna leave this here. I'm not getting in an argument right now.
Okay, let's continue the podcast.
Yeah, that's the charm of Bandra. It's not just the place, it's the people.
Actually, you know what? I once met a guy sketching the ceiling. We had a conversation and he told me, you know what? I come here when I feel low, when I forget who I am, and I felt so real. Like, he told me the sea reminds me who I am. And yeah, it's so beautiful.
That's just Bandra. Always poetic and always emotional. It makes you think and pause of the reality.
Okay, so now let's talk about the best part. Food.
I was waiting for that. I cannot wait to talk about food. The bagel shop, the Bandstand pantry, Grounded, all of them just have the best food.
Yeah, and Grounded is her favorite.
You know what's special about that though? So the sea, it just hits. Sitting and Grounded, you said it's my favorite part, right? It just makes you feel connected to the sea. It's like the ocean side.
And also the stall. And you know what's special about eating in Bandstand?
I do. It is the sea breeze becomes your seasoning. It's like whether it's 5 p.m. or 10 p.m., the vibe stays the same throughout. And I love that.
You know what? I've also had my deepest emotions.
Felt at Bandstand by the beach.
So
It's the
emotional.
best thing ever. There's something magical about Bandstand at night though. There's something magical about Bandstand at night though. It just makes your whole day feel a lot calmer.
Yeah, and no matter how bad or chaotic your day was, like one walk through the Bandstand, everything feels better.
Yeah, it has the power to heal without saying a word. Because I walked through Bandra Bandstand, a place that captures Mumbai's soul in the stretch of a coastline.
Where everyone finds a piece of peace. Yeah.
It's not just a promenade. It's an emotion. It's a rhythm. It's the heart of Bandra.
Thanks for tuning in.